A great way to get lots of free traffic is to comment on other blogs. But the key here is to offer quality content that people actually read, because content that complements the original blog and comments that impress people are the ones that will get clicks, that will get people to click on your link in your comments. So the days of leaving mass quantities of low quality blog comments are over. Now, also, quality comments are what high quality bloggers will approve anyways if they do manually check. And make sure that the blog you're commenting on has a very high readership. So that's another key to the success of blog commenting, is that you comment on blogs that have a very high readership, along with putting in or typing in good quality comments. Now, to see which blogs have high readership, you can check out blog directories such as Technorati, which is the site I'm on right now, or Blogorama. Now, you'd also want to be one of the first people to comment on a blog post. So the sooner you can reply with an awesome comment, the better. This is because immediate blog comments will always be shown at the top. The new comments are shown on the bottom. And naturally, the comments at the top will get a lot more eyes. Now, this is why you should join a blogger's email list and also plug them into an RSS reader so you can be one of the first to comment. You can also set up a Google alert. You just Google here and just type in Google Alerts, and basically you put in your specifications of what you want to be notified about and your email, and Google will email you every time there's new content on a topic that you requested. And you can also just go to Google and search by content type and time. So for example, let's just go to Google, just type in weight loss tips. Let's say that's the niche you're in, and you could just go to search tools and go to any time, and you could see the past hour or past 24 hours, and basically the sites that put out new information and within that time period, you could see that, and then you could put in comments if those are actually blogs and allow comments.